very spacious living room, and we also have granite platform. It has a space provided for you, and the bedroom is very spacious, so you can place your...
Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we'll do a sample flat tour of Marathon Next Zone located in Panvel, bang on JNPT highway. This is the actual location of the project and right in front of it is the JNPT highway. We will get into the details of the project, but first let us know what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is India's one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Coming to the connectivity of the project, we are standing right at the project location and this is the JNPT highway. Panvel railway station is only 4.2 kilometers away and Navi Mumbai International Airport is just at a distance of 6 kilometers. Schools and colleges are also within the distance of 6 kilometers. Trans Harbour Ceiling is just at a 20-minute drive. So now let's go to the sample flat tour of Marathon Next Zone located in Panvel. As you can see, we are standing at the sales office of Marathon Next Zone located in Panvel. The parcel of this project is spread across 25 acres with 16 towers including phase 1 and phase 2. And as you can see, the tower is elevated up to G plus 30 stories in phase 1 and G plus 27 stories in phase 2. The configurations of the tower are as 1 BHK, 2 BHK and also 2.5 BHK. Talking about the amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities like swimming pool. It also has a clubhouse that has gym, kids play area, indoor games, and also the project has multi-purpose court and a cricket turf, and a banquet hall is yet to be constructed.
Hello everyone, and we will get a 2 BHK sample flat tour of Marathon Next Zone located in Panvel. This sample flat is spread across the carpet area of 664 square feet. As we enter, you can see we have a very spacious living room and we also have the dining area besides it. You can place your sofas, your TV unit and your center table as per your choice. We have half French windows in the living area so that you can have a beautiful view of your neighborhood. As we move forward, and as I mentioned, there's a dining area provided. So you can place your dining table and have meals with your family. As we move forward, we have the kitchen on the left that has granite platform. It has a space provided for your refrigerator and if you want to customize your own closet space. We also have a space for your washing machine and a half window that will give you a great view of the neighborhood. As you can see, you will get vitrified tiles in all of the flat. As we move forward, on the right, we have a common washroom in which you will get anti-skid tiles and all the wall fittings. There's a utility balcony attached to the common washroom as well. The balcony is spacious enough if you want to store some extra space, if you want to store some extra goodies that you need in your washroom. Right in front of the common washroom, we have a first bedroom which is also very spacious and you have a wardrobe space provided that you can customize as per your choice. You can place your bed or make this your study, that's totally up to your choice. We also have half French windows in this bedroom that will also give you a great view. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you what does Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tour. We tell you the pros and cons of the project. We also give you virtual location tours and we also give you full pricing with the EMI and down payment options. And we also give you a 360-degree view of the project. So if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register to housey.com. Let's move forward to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you have a foyer area that will give you privacy. And the bedroom is very spacious, so you can place your bed, your side tables and a TV unit, and you can also customize your study over here. Wardrobe space is also provided that that is inside and parallel to the wall, so that will make your bedroom look very big. We also have the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and all the wall fittings provided. So this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Marathon Next Zone located in Panvel. And if you like this video and you want to book your own free site visit, you can register at housey.com. And if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Before going, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours and details.
So this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Marathon Next Zone located in Panvel by Marathon Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.